Orantech is one of the leading manufacturers of medical supplies in the world. Orantech goes beyond just providing top-quality compatible medical cables, sensors, and parts. We are building the most complete after-sales solution on the market. We are a group of experts with more than 20 years of experience in the industry that have joined together to provide the most comprehensive medical supply business solution. Orantech's management team has some of the leading talent in medical technology, equipment knowledge, quality control, and manufacturing practices for the medical cables, sensors, and parts industry. Our office and manufacturing facilities are in the heart of the Medical Manufacturing Center in Shenzhen, China. Our facilities house top equipment used for research, production development, lab testing, and production. We proudly meet all the international standards for manufacturing and quality assurance, including TÜV ISO 13485-2016. Orantech has many product patents which innovate in patient comfort, secure connections, and accurate readings. Our products can be used in many environments, even in very rugged settings. Our data-driven integrated systems, ERP, PDM, and supply chain system make Orantech a true global smart company of the 21st century. Our QR code product tracking system allows us to track every cable from manufacturing to consumer and beyond. With this system, product history, specifications, manuals, sales, and support are all at your fingertips. Try our products and services and experience the difference you can sense.